Hello Foodies! Welcome to GR Foods. I'm your baby chef Nehitha. Today my mama going to show Churumuri. Let's start the recipe. For bhel we are taking some puffed rice. Fry for 2 minutes. It gets crispy. Let cool for a minute. Now we are adding fried peanuts. Add some turmeric powder. Add some red chili powder. Now add some grated carrot. Add some chopped cucumber. Add some chopped tomatoes. Add some lemon juice. Add some coriander leaves. Add some save and khada bundi. Mix well, friends. Don't mix more time, friends, otherwise it will get soggy. Add some pink salt. Just mix a minute. If you like, please add some onions. Our churumuri is ready. I hope everyone likes this churumuri. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe GR Foods.